ready to ditch the boring and inject some serious visual wow factor into your Wix website. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of integrating Spline, a powerful 3D design tool, directly into your Wix site, unlocking a whole new level of interactive engagement. First, head over to Spline and create your 3D masterpiece. You can design anything from simple product mockups to complex interactive environments. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to export. Select the public URL option from the export menu in Spline. Copy that public URL. This is the key to bringing your 3D creation into Wix. Now, jump into your Wix editor and find the Embed a Site element, typically located in the Add Elements section under Embed Code. Drag it onto your page where you want your 3D model to appear. Click on the Enter Website Address button and paste the Spline public URL you copied earlier, then click Apply. Now, fine-tune the size and positioning of the embedded element within your Wix page to perfectly showcase your 3D model. Hit Preview to see your interactive 3D model seamlessly integrated into your Wix website. Interact with it, test the responsiveness, and admire your stunning creation. And that's it. With Spline and Wix, you can create truly immersive and engaging web experiences that captivate your audience. Experiment with different models, interactions, and placement to elevate your site to the next level.